Anyone who has lived in Hong Kong long enough know that siu-ngoh, which is Cantonese for roast goose, is an iconic Cantonese dish that, if done right, wins the hearts of any meat lover that appreciates a delicious barbecue dish. With the myriad of siu-ngoh, which translates to roasted meat, restaurants around the city offering seemingly the same dish, it can be confusing as to what makes one stand out from the rest. For any meat dish to be mouth-wateringly delicious, the animal has to be well raised and cooked fresh. Healthy geese feed on grass or rice, which, given the lack of farmlands and agricultural landscape in Hong Kong, it isn't surprising that geese are imported to Hong Kong from its neighboring cities in China. Their roast goose boasts glistening, crisp skin and sweet, tender meat that is flavorful but never too gamey. Although you may be sitting elbow to elbow during lunch hours, a visit to this generation's-old family-run diner is well worth the minor inconvenience. Try their most frequently ordered dish of goose drumstick over noodle soup, where the hot, light broth cuts through the fattiness of the goose for a balanced and satisfying meal.